In this video, I'll show you how to buy audiobooks on Amazon, even if you've never used Audible before. First, open the Amazon website in your browser. At the top of the page, use the search bar to find the audiobook you want. For this example, I'm buying The War of Art by Stephen Pressfield. Type the title into the search bar and press Enter. From the search results, click the correct book to open its product page. On this page, make sure the Audible audiobook format is selected. If you're an Audible member, you'll usually see two ways to buy the book. Buy with cash. Use an Audible credit. You can also gift the audiobook to someone else and listen to a free sample before purchasing. Since this book is currently on sale, I'll click Buy Now and complete the purchase with cash. Once the purchase is confirmed, the audiobook is automatically added to your Audible library. Now, open the Audible app on your phone. Go to the Library tab, tap the book cover, and it will start downloading. After the download finishes, you can listen to it online or offline anytime. If you don't have an Audible membership, the page will look a little different. You'll typically see three options. Start the Audible free trial and get your first audiobook free. Buy the audiobook with cash. Gift the audiobook to someone else. For beginners, the free trial is usually the best value because it includes one free audiobook and 1 month of Audible membership. If you'd like to try Audible, I've added the free trial link in the description below. That's it. You now know exactly how to buy an audiobook on Amazon and start listening within a few minutes.